Imagine this, a sparkling window without a single streak, as if it has never been touched by dust, rain, or everyday splashes. Now, imagine that you didn't spend hours, sponge in hand, reaching every corner to achieve that result. No, it's your Fmart T8 Pro that took care of it for you. You just set it down, turned it on, and it does all the work with a precision that seems almost magical. Intrigued? Stay with us, because you're going to be over. The Fmart T8 Pro is perfect for anyone looking to simplify the maintenance of their glass surfaces, whether it's tired individuals or professionals simply looking to save time. It's the perfect choice for those who want spotless windows, effortlessly and safely. So, click the link in the description to learn more about all these unique features. See the hundreds of reviews left by these very satisfied customers and order yours today. The Fmart T8 Pro is not just a simple window cleaning robot. It's a revolution in home maintenance. With an impressive suction power of 3800 PA, it doesn't just glide over surfaces. It clings tightly to clean even the toughest dirt. Whether it's oil stains left by a cooking splash, embedded dust, or even bird droppings. This robot is designed to adapt to all situations. Thanks to its ultra-efficient brushless motor, it automatically adjusts its suction power based on the detected dirt. You don't even need to intervene. And that's not all. With its smart S-shaped navigation, it optimizes its path to cover every square inch, never leaving an area behind. You can also control it remotely with its remote control, choosing the direction or cleaning mode that best suits your needs. A cleaner for all surfaces. Smooth is exactly what you deserve. The Fmart T8 Pro is not limited to windows. Thanks to its versatile design and reusable microfiber pads, it adapts to a variety of surfaces. Your mirrors, tiles, marble tables, or even blackboards can benefit from its formidable efficiency. The pads, made from high-density microfibers, capture dust and fine particles while protecting your delicate surfaces. As a result, an impeccable shine without a single scratch. And guess what? You can own the Fmart T8 Pro with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. Imagine not having to scrub your bathroom windows, your mirrors, or even your glass doors anymore. The Fmart T8 Pro takes care of absolutely everything, quickly and with care. And what makes its use even more enjoyable is that it's ultra quiet. Forget the deafening noises of traditional household appliances. Here, efficiency goes hand in hand with discretion. It's ultra quiet. Forget the deafening noises of traditional household appliances. Here, efficiency goes hand in hand with discretion. Enhanced security for total peace of mind is exactly what the Fmart T8 Pro allows you to achieve. And you might be wondering, but what if it falls? With this window cleaning robot, that risk doesn't exist. Equipped with a multiple safety system, it has a built-in lithium-ion battery that allows it to stay in place for 30 minutes. Even in the event of a power outage, a sound alarm will immediately alert you if something unusual happens. In addition, its 5-meter safety cable, capable of supporting up to 120 kilo, ensures absolute stability. But that's not all. Ensures absolute stability, but it's still not over. Thanks to edge detection technology, it automatically recognizes window frames or obstacles, navigating around them with surgical precision. So, whether you're cleaning large glass doors or smaller windows, the Fmart T8 Pro fits perfectly, without ever taking the slightest risk. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews testifying to its impressive quality. And to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Don't forget that by subscribing to this channel, you'll discover life-changing products every day. Ease of use is at the heart of the Fmart T8 Pro's design. You don't need to be an expert to operate it. Here's how simple it is. You connect the safety cord, plug in the power cable, slightly dampen the microfiber cloth and attach it to the device. Then, all you have to do is press a button. And there you go, the cleaning is done. To get started, the Fmart T8 Pro also comes with a very handy set of accessories. 10 reusable cloths, a 100 ml spray bottle, an adapter, and of course, an intuitive remote control. Every detail has been designed so that you have everything you need from the very first use. The Fmart T8 Pro, it's not just a device that cleans windows. It's a truly effortless home maintenance experience with exceptional durability. Its battery has a lifespan of 3 years, And the compact design of 22 by 15 by 7 cm. It fits perfectly into your home without taking up space. Its lightweight of 2.2 kg makes it easy to handle and store. And it's not just a gadget. Satisfied users testify to its effectiveness and reliability. This window cleaning robot has changed the way they think about cleaning. No more climbing ladders, spending hours scrubbing, or worrying about hard-to-reach areas. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as a few drawbacks. Advantage number 1, optimized efficiency. Its smart S-shaped navigation covers every inch of surface, without missing a spot. Advantage number 2, adaptability, multi-surface. It works on various materials like marble, tiles, or mirrors in addition to windows. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Just a simple press of a button to start the cleaning. Advantage number 4, the included accessories. Delivered with 10 reusable cloths and a spray for immediate maintenance. Advantage number 5, compact design. Its small dimensions and lightweight make it easy to store and handle. Advantage number 6, enhanced safety. The safety cable and the built-in UPS minimize risks in case of a power outage. Advantage number 7, low maintenance. The HEPA filter and washable cloths extend the product's lifespan, requiring very minimal upkeep. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1, not suitable for very uneven surfaces. Reduced performance on surfaces with large roughness. Drawback number 2, dependence on an electrical power source. It needs to be plugged into an outlet to operate. Despite the backup autonomy, which is somewhat offset by its long 5-meter cable, allowing you to have a plug far away in the room and still let the robot do its job safely. So, are you dreaming of spotless windows? Without lifting a finger? Do you want a device that combines cutting-edge technology, safety, and ease of use? The Fmart T8Pro is made for you. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click on the link in the description right now. To order at the best price, discover all the features, and read the hundreds of reviews left by these enthusiastic customers. Your windows will thank you soon, and be careful not to bump into them thinking the sliding door was open. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll meet in the link in the description.